Hello everyone. Senzo Meyiwa's close friend Thokozisi Twala told the Pretoria High Court during cross-examination that he had been following the testimony of previous witness via the media. Twala said his stance on not seeing an old revolver at the scene where Meyiwa was fatally wounded corroborated that of Tumelo, who testified before him. Twala was being cross-examined by Advocate Zithulele Nxumalo, representing one of the accused, Nthokoziseni Maphisa. Nxumalo went through Twala's statement, comparing the contents to what he said in his testimony in court, when the issue of the gun description repeatedly came under the spotlight. Twala insisted he still could not describe the gun that had been used to shoot his friend. He said, "I have never said it was an old revolver because I don't know an old revolver." The same question was posed to Tumelo, and he also said the same thing, that he never said it was a revolver. When Twala was pressed further on this point, he said he saw this on the news and was asked if that was at the time he was testifying. He said he can't remember well. Meyiwa was fatally wounded in what was described as a botched robbery in the presence of his then girlfriend Kelly Khumalo, her mother Ntombi, her sister Zandi, Zandi's boyfriend Longo Twala, and two Senzo's friends. The 5 men accused are on trial for the murder of late Orlando Pirates goalkeeper. They have been charged with premeditated murder, attempted murder, robbery with aggravating circumstances, possession of firearms without a license, and possession of ammunition. All have pleaded not guilty.